Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Cancer water sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your messages. Cancer water sign. Your first card, Seven of Wands, Five of Cups, Justice. I think for some you are behaving like very defensive, yes, and for some you person cut you off or you cut them off from your life. There is separation between both of you in recent past. Five of Cups with Justice. I think you maybe cut your person off. Definitely one person will cut the other person off in this connection. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa. Take what resonate. You are very defensive, but you are very defensive. I think it's you. Yeah, something is happened between both of you, that's why the separation is happened. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But one person feeling very sad for the separation. Let's see some more, then we will get more clarity what's going on. Yeah, Eight of Cups, I think you walked away. King of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. I think things are turning in your favor, Cancer. You walked away from your person. They are very sad for the separation, and you cut your person off because there is no equal give and take. You only the person always there for your person, but this time you overcome this pain and you stand by this power. And Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Cancer. You turn your back from your person. You walked away. Yeah. Even though you have feelings for your person for some, now you become like this. Yeah. So a lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. For some, your person don't want to give up on you and they want second chance. That is also Libra, Justice. Your person could be definitely. So let's see some more. Seven of Cups, Hanged Man, Nine of Cups. I think your person stuck on you right now, Hanged Man. They are thinking about you a lot. They are fantasizing about you a lot. Yeah, they are in separate. They are feeling very sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be true and they are wishing for reunion with you. For those who are in separation, for some, your person may be seeing other options. That's why you walked away from this connection. But after you walked away, they realize you both, they are stuck on you. They want second chance for some. So a lot of water energies here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more. Emperor, Page of Pentacles, Temperance. Yeah, you are very balanced right now, Cancer, and you stand by your power. Definitely the Emperor, you are very stubborn also this time. You want to be stubborn, yeah. And Page of Pentacles, definitely some communication. Your person want to test the waters and they want to send some message like hi, how are you, like that way. They want to know that you will respond or not. Yeah, they want to test the waters, but you are very balanced. You are very you are taking your time. Definitely patience and balance. You are very balanced right now, Cancer. Your person could be Sagittarius also, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but your person stuck on you. Yeah, they want to test the waters. Yeah. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. First we will see your person current feelings, Cancer. Okay, Ten of Swords, Six of Swords, lot of reading got Six of Swords got the Lovers. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. Some painful cycles are going to be and between you and your person. Ten of Swords. For some there will be new cycles are going to be begin. Definitely your person want to fix the things between both of you because they love you, the Lovers. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. Definitely they feel the love towards you. Yeah. They realize you both after you walked away. Now, I think for some you want to move on from your person. Yeah. But your person want you back. They want new beginnings with you. So let's see their near future actions towards you. Nine of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Five of Cups. Yeah, your person feeling very sad for the separation and they want success in this relationship. Nine of Pentacles, and they want to achieve financial stability also. For some, your person already financially very stable, super stable. Okay, yeah, definitely they are very sad. Right now they're feeling very sad because Ten of Swords and Five of Cups is here. They're in so much pain. Yeah, due to separation between both of you. Cancer. Yeah, they're literally in so much pain and they want you back. Definitely they want to fix the things between both of you and they want success in this connection. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. But you are very balanced right now. But your person feeling very sad. They are in so much pain due to separation between both of you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Queen of Cups, Four of Cups. Why this card is coming again and again? Four of Cups. Six of Swords and Four of Cups almost in all readings common cards. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Yeah. I think you are very super stable. I already told you because you are like this. Cancer. This time you are taking your time and you are, for some you are not interested this offer anymore. And definitely your person is coming back with solid offer. For some, definitely you will accept there is reconciliation, passionate new beginnings, because two aces here, new beginnings. Most of you, there is a chances for new beginnings between both of you. Queen of Cups, definitely both have strong emotions, but you overcome that pain. Yeah, you are no more dependent on anyone. Cancer, either emotionally or financially, you are super stable. Now you balanced emotionally and financially also, but your person coming back with truth coming out and they want new beginnings with you. It's up to you, Cancer, but they're feeling very sad for the separation. Okay, so yeah, they are coming back with solid offer. Finally, it's up to you. It's your decision. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see your overall energy for the week. Seven of Swords, King of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles. Definitely some juggling. I think your person may be juggling and they are coming back to offer equal give and take, but you are not trusting your person due to some sneaky behavior in past. This time your person may be changing for you. They changed also, but I think there are some trust issues also for some, that because due to this in past your person may be cheated on you, lied to you. That's why you are not trusting your person. For some only, definitely they are coming back with solid offer. So depending upon your situation, you have to take decision. If it is third party, please don't give another chance. You already know that your person is putting on you on third party. Don't give. If it is not third party, it is okay. So depending upon your situation, you have to make decision. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Star, Knight of Cups, Two of Swords and Eight of Wands. Communication. Definitely your person will communicate you. There will be back and forth communication for some. And Two of Swords. Definitely your person at some crossroads. They have to make decision. Already I told you they are juggling. And Knight of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. And the Star. Definitely they are still hoping for this connection. They are still hoping that you will give second chance to them. Yeah, they are still hoping for this connection. Cancer. So it's up to you totally. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.